Today we'll be making my Moana Dolly Varden birthday cake. Use these ingredients and instructions to make your cake. To prepare your cake tins, grease and line them with baking paper. Beat eggs in a large bowl with electric mixer until thick and creamy. Gradually add sugar, beating until dissolved between additions. Sift flours and fold into the egg mixture. Spoon the mixture into the prepared tins. Bake for approximately 50 minutes or until it's cooked. Test by inserting a skewer into the cake. Cool in the container for 15 minutes before turning out onto a wire rack to cool. Make the frosting. Divide the mixture in half and leave half white and colour the other half lemon. Use the end of the ring cake pan to mark a circle on the top of your top cake. Use a sharp knife to cut out a ring right through the cake. Use some of the frosting to join the cakes together. Place the joined cake onto a nice platter or prepared cake board. Use a sharp knife to take a wedge off the top edge of the bottom cake so that it lines up with the top cake. This will form Moana's skirt. Cover the lower end of the doll that you have chosen as your Moana with plastic wrap. Place your doll in the cake and finish covering the cake with white frosting. At this stage, tie Moana's hair up and out of the way. Using the lemon-coloured frosting, pipe a frilly edge around the base of the cake. To do this, you will be using a piping bag and number 67 tip. Using the same number 67 tip, make rows of frilly piping down the length of the skirt, starting from the wide section and ending at the frilly hem you made earlier. Using a number 30 tip, cover the top of the cake as shown. Let down Moana's hair. You can now start adding your hibiscus flowers. Get the instructions for these from the link below. Make Moana's oar. Tint some white icing with red food colouring. Roll out your shape and mould it to the wooden skewer. Using a yellow tinted frosting and a piping bag and tip number 4, write her name on the oar if you wish. Allow it to harden a little before placing it in her hand. Make Moana's shield. You can use this to write your message. Make Moana's outrigger canoe using a ball of white icing. Fashion the shape as shown. Use twigs to make the outrigger. Place it beside the cake and use it to hold the candles. Using fondant, secure one of the hibiscus flowers in Moana's hair. If your doll does not come with a bikini top as this one does, fashion a bikini out of fondant that you have tinted pink. Place Moana's shield at her side. If you like, some blue decorating sugar can be sprinkled around the canoe to represent water.